Hello everyone, welcome back. I have a quick little tutorial tip for you. In my last PowerPoint videos, I showed you how to use the designer tab, this tab right here, to quickly improve the look of your slide. Sometimes the designer will take your text and turn it into a more visual layout using SmartArt. So like these slides too, this slide here, this slide is also this slide. That can be helpful. But what if you decide you don't want smart art anymore? You want it to become text again. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert the smart art back into regular text so you can work with it more freely. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate this slide so you can see the differences. And if you don't like the new slide, you can just click on the new slide and delete it. To convert the smart art back to text, the first step is I'm going to click on the smart art graphic. And once it's selected, you should see the smart art tab appear on the ribbon. Go to this tab. So I'm going to click on this tab. And now I'm going to scroll all the way over to the end of the tab to convert. And you see that we have a drop down menu. We're going to convert to text. Click convert to text. PowerPoint removed the smart art formatting and returned it back to the regular content. Now I have my original information back as editable text. From here I can format it however I want. The important thing is that I no longer am locked into the smart art layout that the designer created. So I'm going to just format this text. I'm going to increase the font size. It's just a clean slide. I'm going to move it down a little bit because it's too close to the top. And now it's just a clean 3 bullet point slide if that's what you're going for. You can also, if you wanted to, you can add an image on this side here. So this is what we had before and this is what we have now. So it's just another option for you to choose when you're creating your presentation. Let's look at another example. So on this slide 6, we have smart art, and to convert this back to text, we're just going to click on it, go up to the smart art design tab, click on that, go all the way over to the right, click the drop down arrow, and then click convert to text. It's back to text. We can fix the formatting. I'm just going to increase the font size a bit. And so that's what we have. Just convert it back to text. Here's the before and here's the after. Nothing has been lost. I've simply changed the way PowerPoint handles the information. So this is useful when the designer gives you a layout that looks good initially, but later you decide you want more control on how the text is laid out on the slide. Personally, I like the slides with the smart art design, but if I change my mind, I know that I can easily go back to just plain text without having to type everything in again. That's the benefit of using smart art design. It's a small PowerPoint feature, but it can save you time from rebuilding or retyping an entire slide. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more PowerPoint tips.